Hi everyone, it's Mike Smith here from Hawkeye Options. We're looking at Halliburton HAL ticker code. Really strong move up yesterday, as you'll see by this Hawkeye wide bar. This gives us an opportunity to talk to you about how we might use this particular indicator to place a trade. Now, obviously we had green volume coming in the session before that. We are still in downtrend on the 2-day and of course just up into congestion on the daily and weekly. So really quite a mixed picture. But the presence for this wide bar, and it was a significant wide bar, it was almost 10% from top to bottom. And wide bar, just for those who are less familiar, is a single bar which is of higher than normal volatility, often associated with high volume. You can see it closed towards the top of the bar. We're interested in finishing the top third for this. And what we could do, bearing in mind an important additional fact that we can see on the weekly chart, is look to place a potential credit spread. The recent downtrend and the choppiness of the market has created volatility here that means a credit spread may well be worth a look at. So if we look at this key line in the sand here, this key technical line in the sand here, it's just below $40. In fact, we'll give you it's just above the $40 mark. You'll see we tested it a couple of sessions ago intraday, but obviously made our way back up to 41. There's pivot lows there kicking around about 40.80. So this line in the sand is pretty crucial. It was resistance there at the back end of 2015. Struggled a little bit to break through it sort of in April or May. Just thought about it for a little bit, retested that level before moving up and trading in the range that we see in front of us between about 40 and 47. So with that particular line of support in place, the additional presence of a wide bar and the lack of obvious trading direction, then a credit spread would seem like a suitable strategy. So what we do with this, if we see a wide bar there, is we look to potentially place a credit spread underneath the wide bar. So look to the wide bar low and then place a credit spread beneath that. So a very conservative 40.39 or even a 41.40 if we're feeling slightly more aggressive. So that's our trading tip for today. Short duration as always with credit spreads, looking really for maybe 1 or 2 week expiration, and I hope that's been interesting to consider. See you again soon. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.